Sean with American Window Concepts here, and I'm going to make a quick video here on how to replace a roller on an Anlin window. There are a lot of vinyl windows out there that have the same style of roller or something like it. This might translate to a lot of other vinyl sliding window systems, okay? So what you're going to need is a chisel. And the one I have is not very, very sharp, but it's not very dull either. You don't want one that's all gouged up. Even then, it still might actually work. And then the replacement roller itself. So this is from Anlin, and it's gonna go into our Anlin sash. And so let's just, for the sake of argument, say this is a 20-year-old window, and this roller now has maybe some flat spots or is rusted up on the ends here. The way to do this is to use leverage as your friend. So this section here, so you're gonna take this, you're gonna feed it right underneath, under both sides of this wings or whatever, and then you're going to just pick it straight up. Okay, so go in, give it a lot of force, straight at it, and then pick it straight out, okay? It may wanna fight you a little bit, and the reason why is because you have this guy right here. This, once it gets snapped in, makes it so that way it doesn't pop right back out again. This one came out, no problem. Here's your open cavity for where your new roller is. To put the window roller in, just feed in one side first and then give it the old push. There you go. And it's in. Check it, make sure it doesn't want to just pop out readily. See? No, it doesn't want to come out. Great. Success. Such an easy video, I'm sure, but I've had a lot of requests of people saying, hey man, my rollers, my window slides real rough. I've pulled the window out and I've seen that I have flat spots. And I just say simply go get some rollers from Anlin or Swissco if you don't have an Anlin window. Go to Swissco, that's SWISCO.com. They have everything for windows and doors, whether it's mortise locks for doors, rollers for windows, and they do everything based on measurements. That is how you would do it for the majority of vinyl windows. It's very easy to do this. Okay guys, I hope you guys found this helpful. Easy video. Let me know. Have a good day. Hey guys, if you live in the Ventura or Long Beach area and are interested in a free in-home estimate, go to our website, AmericanWindowConcepts.com, and we'll reach back out to you as soon as possible. If you guys find this information valuable and you want to continue to learn more about windows and doors, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.